Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically upload photos on Google Photos. First, open your App Store and then search for Google Photos. Once you've searched it, as you can see in here, tap on the install button. Wait for it to be installed. And then once it's installed, tap open. And then tap continue. In here, what you need to press is allow access to all photos. Then tap allow. And then tap on the email that you would like to choose for backing up the photo. So in my case, I'll select this one and then select backup as the email address. And then those videos and photos will be automatically uploaded to Google Photos. As you can see on the upper right part of the screen, there is a circling dots with an arrow pointing up. That means it's uploading your photos and videos to Google Photos. And that's how to automatically upload photos to your Google Photos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.